Building credit in the USA can feel confusing, especially if you're just starting out or trying to recover from past mistakes. But here's the good news. There are powerful credit cards designed specifically to help you build credit fast and responsibly. These cards don't just approve you, they help you grow, track, and level up your credit score with real tools and real results. In this video, we're diving deep into the top credit cards for building credit in 2025, especially designed for beginners, students, immigrants, or anyone looking to start fresh. We'll explain the real benefits, hidden features, and even some insider tips on how to use them smartly, so you don't just build credit. You build financial power. Watch this video till the end, because the final card in the list might surprise you. It could be the best fit for your goals. Let's jump in. The Discover It Secured Credit Card is considered one of the best cards in 2025 for building credit, especially if you're a beginner, a student, or a new immigrant trying to enter the U.S. financial system. Even though it's a secured card, it offers full rewards, zero annual fees, and a high chance of approval. The first major benefit is that it reports your monthly payment history to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This means your credit score can grow fast, as long as you use it responsibly by keeping low balances and always paying on time. There's no annual fee, which is great for anyone managing their finances carefully. Unlike most secured cards, this one actually gives you cashback, 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants, on up to $1,000 per quarter, and 1% cashback on everything else you buy. One of its biggest features is the cashback match. Whatever cashback you earn in your first year, Discover will automatically double it. So if you earn $150 in cashback, they'll make it $300. There's no limit and no hidden terms. It's automatic. You can open this card with just a $200 refundable security deposit. After about 7 months of responsible use, Discover may upgrade you to an unsecured version of the card and return your deposit. That upgrade process is smooth and helps you build long-term trust with lenders. You also get free access to your FICO credit score every month, which helps you track your progress and adjust your habits. On the safety side, Discover provides zero fraud liability, freeze, unfreeze features in the mobile app, and instant alerts. To build credit fast, the smart way is to keep your credit usage under 10%. For example, if your limit is $200, don't spend more than $20 to $30. Always pay off your bill before the statement closing date, never miss a payment, and use the card every month, even for small things like gas or coffee. After 6 to 8 months, you'll likely be eligible for an upgrade. This card is perfect for students, new immigrants, or anyone recovering from past credit mistakes. And for those following halal finance, as long as you pay your full balance every month, you'll avoid interest and stay completely halal while growing your financial future. The Chime Credit Builder Visa Credit card is one of the easiest and safest ways to build credit in the U.S. without risking debt or paying interest. Unlike traditional credit cards, this card has no annual fees, no credit check for approval, and no interest charges, which makes it ideal for beginners or anyone who wants full control over their spending. This card works a little differently. Instead of giving you a fixed credit limit, you decide how much to move from your Chime spending account to your credit builder account. Whatever amount you move becomes your credit limit. You can only spend what you've already set aside, which means there's no risk of overspending or falling into debt. Every purchase you make is reported to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, helping you build a positive payment history and grow your credit score safely and steadily. Many users report seeing a score boost within just a few months. There are absolutely no annual fees, no late fees, and no interest charges. This makes it an extremely halal-friendly option since you never owe more than you put in. And you never pay interest as long as you use it as designed. It also comes with security features like instant card freeze, real-time purchase alerts, and support for mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. You also get access to Chime's easy-to-use mobile app where you can track spending, move funds, and monitor your score progress. To qualify, you just need to have a Chime spending account and receive at least one qualifying direct deposit, like from a job or benefits. Once that's set up, you're eligible to apply for the Credit Builder card. No credit score needed. The best way to use this card is to move a small amount, like $50 to $100, into your Credit Builder account each month. Make small purchase,